Okay, guys, here we are again in part 3. Okay, this is the risk here we are again in part 3. Okay, this is the risk disclaimer for forex trading. Always read it. And I hope that you have all the 8 tools now, okay, and that you are ready to start your journey with the V12. Okay, guys, it is very important to have the 8 tools, okay, even though you are a signal trader, but you need it. These are the 8 tools that the professional traders use, okay, but you don't need all the features, but I already showed you in part 1 and part 2, especially in part 2 how to use them, okay, and you might know by now how important they will be for you. Okay, but this part 3 is more practical, okay, but before I start doing the practical side, let me tell you a few things that you should know, because now these things are involved in trading, okay, even though you are a signal trader, but you might also deal with them. So that's why I want to tell you a few things about trading, okay. Once you open a trade, once you have running trades, okay, number one, let the market prove you wrong or right by hitting the stop loss or the take profit. It means if you receive a signal, you open the signal, the trade starts running into loss, don't close it. If you have to take a loss, you wait for the market to hit your stop loss. Okay, if you start seeing some profit before the trade is closed, don't close the trade in profit. You wait for the market to hit your take profit, because in trading there is what we call the emotion. Okay, you can see some profit, but they are still not profit because the trade is still running. Okay, you can see some losses, but they are not losses, okay, because the trade is still running. You wait for the market to prove you wrong or right. That one is number one. Now number two, again, do not manually close your trades before receiving an alert from the channel asking you to close them. If I see that the signal that I have sent, because that will be the trades that I will be trading, okay, if I see that the market is moving to the other side, giving us different signal, I will alert in the group, in the Telegram group, the V12 channel, okay, the V12 channel. I will alert there, close this particular trade. It can be in profit or it can be in loss, but don't do it yourself if you don't receive a signal, okay. And number three, always guys, use proper risk management, otherwise you will not succeed. Even though if I am succeeding with my trades, if you don't use a proper risk management, you will not succeed, guys. That one is 100% sure. And number four, once you have 2 running trades, again I explained this one in part 2, each one opened with 1%, okay, it means your account is exposed to 2%, okay. Always open the next signal with 0.5 risk and never expose your account to more than 4% at once. Mind the trading objective of FTMO. But this one is only for the people that are going to try the FTMO challenge. If you are trading your own capital and you don't mind the amount that you are risking, it's up to you, guy. You can risk anything you want, but you should know that you are doing it on your own, okay. It is not recommended, even if it is your own capital, okay. And number 5, the last one, remember that you are a signal trader. Simply and strictly follow the rules explained in this video and make money, okay. Don't do anything. You can see many people doing a lot of things on Instagram, social medias out there, sharing a lot of things, but don't forget they are not the ones behind the signals. Okay, I am the one behind the signal, so do what I tell you to do, please, guys. Otherwise, you will be lost. Okay, so guys, together let's fight poverty, guys. Okay, now let's go to the practical side. Okay, I will show you how to execute all type of over all types of trades. Okay, either it is a buy signal, current price, buy limit, buy stop, or current price, selling, or sell stop, or sell limit. Okay, I will show you all this, how to go from the channel to the trading view and back to this new application and straight to the MetaTrader platform. Okay, so guys, thank you if you have if you have watched the video from the introduction to part 1, part 2, part 3. Thank you guys. I hope you benefit from this, from the content of my videos, and also I hope you benefit from the trades or signals that will be sent out to the channel. Okay, let's go now. Yeah, okay guys, I want to show you how to open. Can you see the last signal? This is a sell stop. Okay, we will start by a sell stop. Now let's go. What to do? Number one is to go to trading view. Okay, the currency pair is the GBP USD. You click on it. Okay, and then you click here on this pencil. Okay, once you click on the pencil, you go down, you will see this is a sell stop. Okay, so it is in short position, and then you click somewhere here. Okay, you double click on these colors, you go to input. Okay, the entry level. Okay, the signal is saying at 1.37150. okay, that's my entry level, my stop level also. These are the two things I need to key in with this trading view. Okay, it's 1.37410. okay, can you see the ticks? The stop level is 26 pips. Okay, so what to do now is very simple. I know it is 26 pips, so I go to my stenu. This is my balance is 50,000. Okay, so I want to risk only 1%, and the pips is 26. Okay, I go and select this one, GBP USD. I'll calculate. Okay, if my stop loss is 26 pips, so the lot size, okay, this is the lot size. Okay, this is the lot size. Okay, the lot size is 1923, but I want you just to focus on the first digit after the point. If it is 19 something, you just take 19. This one will help you to decrease the risk. Okay, at 19. So now what to do next is very simple. We go back to the platform. Okay, the MT4 platform. Okay, here we are. You can see I come here. Where is GBP USD number 2, the pair number 2? Okay, I just click on it, and then I click on trade. Okay, and now if you click on trade, if it is not market execution, if it is sell stop, this one is sell stop. So can you see this market execution, right? So I have to click on this one first to select sell stop, and then I come back. You see where is this 3.70, right? This is the lot size, and then I modify it. I put the lot size that we have calculated. Okay, 1.9. So let's do this one, market execution. I select on sell stop. Okay, sell stop is 1.9, the entry price. Okay, so let me show you real quick again. This is if it is sell stop, sell limit, buy limit. Okay, or market execution. This is the lot size. Okay, this is the price, means the entry price. Okay, the second one is the stop level. Okay, you key in the stop level in this zone, the entry price also in this zone, and the stop loss the take profit in this zone. You don't need this expiration. Okay, don't touch that one. Okay, and then after placing all these, you have already selected it is a sell stop. You just click on the button place. Okay, the order will place itself automatically. Now let's do it. The price is 1.3715, right? Okay, the stop loss is 1.37410. Okay, the take profit is 1.3658. Okay, can you see this button? You see this button place, it is not blue, it is not showing. Okay, it means the market has already dropped below that button. Okay, so as I'm waiting now, you see now it is blue, it means the market is above the entry price. Okay, so I click on it, and that's it. You can see your order here. You see now it is open. Okay, the market is the trade is already opened. So guys, this is how to open a trade. Okay, so number one, what I have showed you is how to use the sell stop. So let's wait for the next signal to see what it will be. This is the only sell stop that I will show you guys. Just I hope you remember how to do it. Thanks, man. Okay guys, I will show you how to open this kind of trade. You can see this is the last signal. This is USD JPY. It is sell now. Okay, this is the current price when the signal was sent out. Okay, but as the market is always moving, you cannot get this exact entry. Okay, now what I want you to remember is just it is a sell now at the current price. Okay, and it is also the stop loss is also at this level. Okay, now number one, we go to the trading view. Okay, the pair is not in my watch list. I click on this button. The add button. Okay, and then I type USDJPY as it is written there. Okay, I can see the first one. I just click on it and it is on my watch list. I click on it. I click on the pencil. Okay, the price is around where the signal came. Okay, now let's go. Let me show you something real quick. 5 minutes. Let me go to 1 hour, so that, or 4 hours, because so that it will be bigger for me. Okay, now what to do next is I click on the pencil. I look for the short button, short position, and then I click somewhere where I push it. Okay, just let me put it here. I double click on it. The entry price is 104.9.8. Let me check it again. Yeah, 0.890. Okay, the stop loss is the stop loss is 1.510, 5.830 down. As you can see, this stop level is very far. Okay, it is at 940. About, if you see this one, know that it is for 94 pips. Okay, so the next thing is straight to my Stenio application. Okay, I know my balance is 50623.81. Since you can see this signal is a bit different. You can see there is TP1, TP2 and TP3. Okay, in one trade. Now what to do is simple. Don't open each trade with 1%. Okay, you sacrifice 1.5% per each trade. Okay, because now you are opening 3 different trades. Okay, with the same entry and the same stop loss. Okay, or just the take profit will be different. This is what I'm talking about, guys. You can see TP1, TP2 and TP3. Okay, so now when you are calculating the risk, you put 0.5%, if so that when you open your 3 trades, it will be just 1.5% you have risked. Okay, the stop loss 94 pips, the currency per USD JPY. I go and we calculate. Okay, so the lot size they showed me is this one, 0.28. okay, so each trade I will open it with 0.25. okay, so that when they take the fees and commission, I will get just, if it is a loss, it will just be 1%, because if you take straight 0.28 and they will add later the commission, if it is a loss, the loss will be more than 1%, it will be 1 point something. okay, so 0.25. now let's go to my MetaTrader, USD JPY. yeah, the last one, I click on it, I click on trade. Now I leave it at market execution. okay, because the signal says you have to sell now, so it is market execution. okay, market execution 0.25. I just click on let me put the stop loss for each trade, 105.83. I click on sell, I leave the take profit first. okay, so this trade is open, trade number 1, I got the price. okay, trade number 2, I click on the pair also, I go trade. The lot size is already there because this is the last one that I use, I'm not changing it. I just click on stop loss, I type my stop loss level. okay, I click on the button sell. okay, 2 trades are opened. And then the third one, I click on USD JPY also, JPY, I click on trade, I leave it market execution, the lot size 0.25. I just key in my stop level. okay, no, 83. okay, I click on the button sell. Now what to do next? The next thing is I click, you can see the trades. These are the 3 trades that I have opened, number 1, number 2, and number 3. This is the price where I got in. okay, this is the price where I got in for this trade, and this one also is the price where I got in for that trade. okay, this is the lot size for each trade. okay, and now this one is where the market is, this one also is where the market is. Anytime you open the application, that number represents where the market is right now, and this one are the numbers of where you got in the trade. okay, the signal was saying 1.489, but as you can see, I got the first trade, I did not get it at 1.89, but it is close 87. okay, and based on the lot size, I am still in the zone. okay, in the 1%. Now what to do next? You click on each trade. If you click on it, okay, you can see as I clicked on this one, okay, you can see the stop loss is here, but there's no take profit. okay, this is the charges I was telling you about, the commission. If you leave the trade open after 1 day, after 24 hours, you can see the swap, or some trade you can see tax. okay, now what I want to tell you is this: you click you go let me go. okay, you slide. okay, if you touch on this pair, okay, and you slide like this to this direction, you will see this button to see the chart, this button to add some lot size, this button to edit, and later if you want to close it, it's this button. okay, now what I need is this button to edit, okay, to set the take profit for each trade. okay, now what to do next is this: I click on edit. This trade I have to use the first stop take profit. The first take profit is 04.33. yeah, 0.3. okay, modify. okay, now if I click on the trade, you can see the SL is there, the take profit is there. I click on it also so that the details will disappear. I slide on the second trade, okay, and then I click on the edit button. Now this take profit also, okay, 900. I click on the button modify. okay, the trade is modified. If I click on the trade, you can see the SL is there, the TP is there, as well as for the first trade. Now the remaining one is the last one. Okay, now I slide on the trade also. I click on the button edit. I set my TP, the take profit. Okay, take profit is 345. Now modify. Okay, as you can see now, all the trades, I put the stop loss and the take profit for each trade. I just let them run. Later in the case, if you receive a signal asking you to close all the trades, okay, you just slide on each trade and then you click on this button. Okay, let me show you how it looks like. Okay, if you click there, you can see all this. Okay, they will show you the exact profit or loss that you are in now. If you click on this button, you will close the trade with this profit or with the loss that will be there. Okay, but I'm just showing you this one so that you will use it later. Okay, but for now we just leave it. Let me show you another button. Let me show you this button. Okay, if you click on it, this is what you will get. You go straight to the chart. Okay, this is the chart. As you can see, let me show you. Okay, because this is the time frame, H4 is the time frame. It means each candle is 4 hours. Okay, you can see this level, sell, 3 cells. I open my trades here. Okay, my first take profit is at this level, my second take profit is at this level, and my third one is at this level. Okay, now where is my stop loss? Because the time frame is H4 and the market is up, I cannot see it. Let me go to D1. Okay, now you can see, very simple. This is, you can see this color, right? 104.824. This is where the market is. Okay, so if this line is above, this is a sell. If it is inside this zone, within from this level to the stop loss, it will be, you will be in loss. It is called a pending loss. As long as the market doesn't hit your stop loss, this level, it is not a loss, it is a pending loss. And as long as your trades are inside this zone, okay, it is a pending win. But if the market reach this level, this trade will close automatically in profit. Now you will have 2 running trades. This one, if the market comes down like this and reach this level also, this one will be closed and you will have 1 remaining trade. Okay, and this one also, if the market comes down to this level, this one will close automatically at this level in profit. Okay, now if, let's suppose, the trade runs, later you receive a signal that tell you secure your trades or put your stop loss at the break event. It means you change this value where the stop loss is, you bring it at the a bit below the entry level. Okay, later if you receive the signal like that, I will show you what to do next. Okay, so this is, guys, I showed you how to open a sell stop. I've showed you now how to open a sell market execution. So the next setup for sell that is remaining is the sell limit. So that one also I will show you that one, and then show you the 3 options for buy, and that's it for the part 3 of this video. Thank you, guys, man. Yeah, okay, guys, this is the last video. I'm showing you about sales. Okay, I've already showed you the sell stop and the sell execution, market execution. Okay, and now I'm showing you the sell limit. Okay, so what is a sell limit? I will show you using this. Let's use this signal. Okay, you can see this is a sell limit. Okay, this is the currency pair. You just remember the 6 letters. Okay, NZDCAD. Okay, you remember this price because this is the entry price. Okay, and this is the stop loss. Okay, the first thing to do, you can see this is a trade with 3 take profit. Okay, it means a signal, but you have to open 3 trades at the same time. Okay, I will show you. Let's go first determine how many pips we have from the entry point, this entry point, to the stop loss point. Okay, What we do is we use the trading view for it. Let's go back to the trading view. Yeah, this is the trading view, guys, and the pair is NZDCAD. You click on the add button. Okay, you click on NZDCAD. Okay, and then what I mean by you click on the first one is this one. Okay, you just click on it, you will see it appearing at your watch list. Okay, that's it. The pair already appeared here. Okay, you can see it here, it was not here. Okay, now you click on it also. Okay, and then after clicking on it, you will see you will go straight to the chart. Okay, but I always recommend you to click on this one. Okay, the time frame. This is the button you will use to look for the short, the selling up button. But now I want you to click on this one firstly, and then you change it to H1. Okay, or H4. It's up to you. Let's use H4. Okay, so that's it, and then I click on the pencil button. I go and look for the short position, which means sell. Okay, either for sell stop, sell limit, or market execution sell. If you see sell, you use this button. Okay, but the just different is the entry point compared to the current price. Okay, if it is a sell stop, the price might be below the current price. The price of the sell stop might be below the current price. Okay, if it is a sell limit, the entry price might be above the current price. But I know you are a signal traders, you don't know, you don't need to know all this, but I'm just telling you. Okay, there are three types of sales: sell execution, market execution, okay, and sell limit and sell stop. So you click on short position for all of them. Okay, and then you click inside the chart. You will see this happening. This will show. Okay, this one. Now you just click on it. Anywhere you click on it, you will see the parameters. You click on it, you double click on it, you will see the parameters. Okay, I already showed you in part 2 how to use all this. Now the entry price, we start with the entry price. The signal was saying 92880. Okay, and then the stop level is 93550. Okay, you can see this is the, let me check again the entry price. I've missed the entry price is 92550. Okay, now we can see the stop level. Okay, the ticks, it is 1000. It means 100 pips. Don't forget this one. Okay, because if you misuse this unit, you will risk your trade. It will not be 1%. Now you know the amount of pips from the entry point to the stop loss. The next thing, guys, I hope you know what is the next thing, right? You go straight to your application, still new. Okay, now how much is your balance? If you go to the MetaTrader application, if you want to see the balance, if you open the application, this is to see the codes, your watch list. Okay, this is to see the live chart, but you don't need it. You are just a signal trader. You need this one, trade, because if you click on this one, this is where you will be. Okay, they will show you your running trade. These are your running trades, this one and this one. Okay, now you can see here equity. Okay, and this one balance. Okay, don't mind this one. Okay, you just use the first one, the balance. Okay, 62381. 62381. You go to the application, still new, 6 62381 623.81. Now I want to risk but don't forget, let me take you back to the signal. You can see the signal again. It is one signal, but they are asking you to open 3 trades at the same time for one signal. Okay, you are opening 3 trades at the same level, the entry point at the same level, using the same stop loss. Okay, now since you have 3 trades, what you do is you divide 1% by 3. Okay, so that all the trades we run with a risk percentage of 1. Okay, don't forget it. Now if you go back to your Stenio application, the risk you write 0.3. Okay, and then the amount of pips is 100. Okay, and then I go to select the currency pair. The first 3 digit is this one. The first 3 digit is this one, and the second one is this one. So I click on this one first, and then I click on this one second. Okay, let's do this, NZCAD, and then I click on calculate. They will show me the lot size. Okay, 0.19. Now I mentioned before about the commission. So to avoid extra charge so that your trade will run with more than 1%, you will take 0.15. Okay, it will cover all the charges that will come with the trade. Okay, because if you leave the trade after 24 hours, there is something called commission. So if you open the trade with 0.115, it will cover it. Okay, now what to do next? You go to your MetaTrader. Okay, the application. Okay, you click on quotes. You check, is my pair in this watch list? NZDCAD. Yeah, it is here at the last one, the bottom one. You just click on it once. These 3 options will appear. You click on trade. Okay, now you are opening the trade, but it is a sell limit. You click on market execution. Okay, the moment you click on market execution, you will see all these options. Okay, all these options. Okay, you click on this one, sell limit, because the signal is a sell limit signal. Okay, now you click on sell limit. You click here. Okay, as you can see, this is my lot size, so 0.15. okay, and then the entry price is the same. Okay, 0.9255. the stop loss is the same. Okay, 0.9355. okay, now for the take profit, you can just, let me show you how to later put your take profit. You place this one. Okay, the first trade is placed. Okay, now you go back to the quotes again. You go NZD card, you click on a trade. You will see the last lot size that you used. Okay, will be there, and the option also sell limit. Okay, you can see the sell limit is here. So if it was market execution, I click on it, and then I click on sell limit. Now let's suppose if I was back to the MetaTrader application and I want to open a sell stop, so I click on the sell limit, I select sell stop. Okay, but now what we need is the sell limit. This is the last lot size that we used, so it will be there in case if you will use it again. Okay, 0.15, we leave it like that. The entry price is the same. Okay, 92550. Okay, the stop loss also is the same, 93550. okay, I place it. I click on place. Okay, so I have, if you check here, it is written here position. Okay, these are the running positions, and it is written here orders. So it means the pending orders, okay, you already placed them, but the market has not reached the entry price. Okay, so when the market will reach the entry price, this price, now the market is here, the market is here. Okay, the moment the market will reach this entry price, the trade will execute itself automatically, no matter if you are connected to internet or not. Okay, by now you have already placed the trade with your broker. They know that if the market arrives there, either you are connected or not, they will open automatically. But don't forget, you already set your stop loss. You did not set the take profit yet. That one we will do it last. Now let's open the last trade. Okay, you go back to quotes, NZDCAD trade, sell limit 0.15. Okay, and 92550, the stop loss 93550, and then I click on place. Okay, now you can see that I have 3 trades. Okay, if you click on it once, they will show you the stop loss, the take profit, and everything. Now I just want you go with one by one for each trade. Let's suppose this one, you just click on it and you slide to this side. Okay, for this one, let's go and do it. If you do it, you will see the 4 buttons. I explained it when I was showing you the sell, the market execution. Okay, you click on this one, this pencil. Okay, this one is for editing. Once you click on it, you will see again, boom, you are back to here. Okay, if you want to change the entry price, you can change it. The stop loss, you can change it. But now what we are doing is the take profit. We are putting the take profit. Okay, and let's go the take profit. Now the take profit, we go back to the signal. The take profit one is okay, let's go. I start by this trade, and then this one, and then this one. Okay, the stop loss are already the same, the entry price are already the same. Okay, that's why I am doing last the take profit. Now the first take profit is 0.92. Okay, take profit, I come back here, 0.92. If the remaining digits are just zeros, you can leave it like this. Otherwise, you just put 2, the amount of 0. But if you just put 92, it's still fine. You click on this button, modify. Okay, the moment you click on it, you will see, boom, the trade is modified. Now if I click on the first trade, you can see, look at this one. Okay, the take profit is already there, right? Because I already put. Now I know it is for the first trade, the upper one. Now I go for the middle one. Let me show you before we put the take profit for the middle one. You click on it, you can see the take profit is missing. It's only the stop loss. Now we slide, and then we click on the pencil. We go to the take profit. We already put the entry price and the stop loss. The take profit 2 is 91. I just click on modify. The zeros will appear automatically. You can see now the stop loss is there, the take profit is there. Okay, I go for the last one. I slide, I click on the pencil, I come here. Where is the trade? The take profit 38855. 88550. Then I click on modify. Okay, that's it. I have placed my 3 sell limit orders. Okay, they are placed now. Even though if I'm not connected, as long by the time the market will arrive here, now the market is here, sorry, by the time the market will arrive here, okay, the trades will automatically be open. Okay, now even if I'm not connected, it will be automatically open. The only thing that is important and crucial for me is the lot size. You can see the lot size 0.15, 0.15. So I know that I am safe by doing so. So guys, this is how to open sell limit. Okay, now we are just three more we just have 3 more videos to show again about how to open a trade, which is the buy, market execution, the buy stop, and the buy limit. Okay, after that, guys, you can consider yourself as a perfect signal trader. Okay, the only thing you have to do is to subscribe for best signals from a professional trader. But I already tell you that I'm doing this for free with the V12 channel. Okay, Telegram channel. You can find the link to the website at the description down of this video. Okay, you just click on description, you will see the link there. Guys, go and join it and start making money. You don't need to be a trader for it. So see you again in the video of buys. Okay, thank you, guys. Okay, guys, in this video I want to show you the first signal of buys. Okay, so we will start with buy limit. Okay, how to open a buy limit signal. Okay, so you can see this one. Oh, this is the signal we are going to use. Okay, this is the USD CAD, the currency pair. The type of position is buy limit. Okay, this is the entry price. Okay, and this is the stop loss price. Okay, and as you can see, there are TP1, TP2, TP3. It means in one signal, this is a one signal, but you have to open 3 trades. Okay, if you just see a signal that is showing you buy limit, one stop loss, the stop loss is always 1. Okay, for all these 3 trades. Okay, and if there is only one TP, one take profit like this one, you will not see TP1. Okay, it will only be TP at the price. It means you have to open only one trade, and with that one trade, if you don't have more than 2 running trades, at that time you open that trade with 1% risk. Okay, but if you receive a signal like this with 3 take profits, you have to divide it. Okay, 1% by 3. Now, to be secured, okay, about your risk percentage, you take 0.3%. Okay, don't take 0.333 something. Okay, 0.3 is enough. Now let's go. What to do next is this. You go to the trading view, as you might know what to do now. Trading view, my pair is USD CAD, so I cannot see the pair on my watch list. You know where is the add button, and what to write. Is it USD CAD? You don't know what it is, you just write the 6 letters. Okay, you will see they will appear. Now, why do you have this one and 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 this one? It's because of the brokers. Okay, these are the brokers. Okay, your broker that I recommend for you is FTMO, but they are not here. Okay, that's not a problem. You just click on any pair that will appear first. You just click on it, automatically it will go to your watch list. Okay, as I showed you previously. Now we have it on our watch list. Okay, you just click on it, the chart is open. We are on 4-hour chart. You click on the pencil down. This is a buy position. Okay, so buy, you remember in the previous videos I told you buy is also called long position. So if it is a buy limit, it is a long position. If it is a buy stop, it is a long position. If it is buy at the current price, it is also a long position. Okay, just when you go to the MetaTrader, that's where you have to specify the difference. Is it a buy limit? You select buy limit. Is it a buy stop? You select buy stop. But with the trading view, you go with the bottom long position. You key in your entry price, your stop level, and then they will show you how many pips. Okay, so this is a buy. Let me go back and click on buy. If you click on buy, you can see this one. Okay, you can see these lines appear. You just click anywhere inside the chart that you click. Okay, you will see this thing will appear. You click. Okay, by the time you click, you will see this will appear. Okay, this new thing, you just double click on it. Okay, and then you will see where to key in your take profit, your entry point, and the stop loss. I'm sorry, you don't need the take profit here, just entry point and the stop loss. Okay, if you are a trader, you will definitely use this one, but as a signal trader, the only thing you use with this is the entry price and the stop level to know how many pips, and then you go to the application and calculate. Okay, the entry price is 1.2700. Okay, that was the entry price. Now the stop level is 1.25900. Okay, you can see now I'm back here because I click on the button. Previously I click on this button. Okay, on this button. Okay, that's why they took me back to the chart. Now if you want to come back here, you just click double click on that thing that they showed you previously. Okay, now I can see that my stop level is as far as 114.6 pips. Okay, the last digit you have to put a point before you add it. Okay, you can see here it is 1146, but the amount of pips that you will put in the new application is 114.6. Okay, now let's do it together. You already know the stop loss for all the 3 trades you go. Okay, this is your balance. You key in your balance. Okay, 50623.81. Okay, now since you have to open 3 trades for that particular signal, dividing 1% by 3. Okay, if it was just one trade, you can receive a signal of buy limit where you have to open just one trade, not because it is a buy limit. Every buy limit you have to open 3 signals, or you have to open 3 trades. Okay, it is not like that. If it shows on the signal 1 take profit, it is 1 trade. If it shows 2 take profits, it means you have to open 2 trades. And then by that, if it is 2 trades, you open them with 0.5. Okay, if it is 3 trades, you open them with 0.3. Okay, as we are doing now, 0.3%, 114.114. Okay, 114. Okay, it's okay. Since it is 114.6, let me 115. Okay, so that I will secure my trades. Okay, no matter what, I will not lose 1%. Okay, if those trades go to the stop loss, I will not lose 1% no matter what. Okay, you go next. Now you have to select the pair. I remember the first 3 letters are USD. I click on USD, and the last 3 are CAD. I click on CAD, and then I go calculate. Okay, you have to use a lot size. You can see this lot size. Okay, 0.16. But if you see it like this, I prefer that you guys use 0.1. Okay, 0.1 for each trade. Okay, no, because it will help you to be secured. Okay, trading is very risky, guys. So 0.1. Now the next thing we do, we go to the MetaTrader 4. We go to quotes. Where is my pair? Is it here? The USD CAD? Yeah, it is here. I think the pair number 4. Okay, you click on trade. Now you click on market execution. Yeah, this is a buy limit. You click on buy limit. You come and select the lot size 0.1, and then the entry price. We know that the entry price is 1.27 and zeros. I can leave them like this. You can see if I click on stop loss, the zeros will appear itself. Okay, and then the stop loss is 1.259. Okay, I place the first order is placed. You can see it here. Okay, you can see it here under the orders, depending orders. If you place a sell order, it will be green. Okay, and this one will be blue, so that later if you open, you know this is a sell order, this is a buy order. Okay, just to know the difference between them from the list. Okay, now we do the same thing for the second trade, USD CAD. The buy limit is still the same, the lot size the same, the entry price I know it is 1.2700. I go for the stop loss, I know the stop loss is 1.25900. I place it. I wait last for the take profits. Okay, now it's about the last trade. Okay, I go the same thing, the buy limit is there, the lot size is there, I key in the entry price. Okay, you make sure you are keying in the right numbers. Okay, otherwise it is your money that you are playing with, guys. So you have to be very careful and apply all the things that I'm teaching here. Okay, and you place, that's it. Now I have 3 trades open, but if you click on them, you will see that the take profits are not there. Okay, the take profits are not there, the take profits are not there. Now how to put the take profit? You slide on the trade, you click on the pencil, you will see the take profit is missing, not sell. You click on it, a random number will appear, you delete, you edit the number. Okay, now the first take profit, you can see the first take profit is 1.277 and then I click on modify. The first one is modified. Okay, I go for the second one, I slide on it, I click on the pencil. Okay, what is the second take profit? Second take profit is 188. Okay, I'm sorry, 1.288 zeros. I modify it. Okay, the second one also the take profit is there. Now the remaining one is the last one. Okay, this is the last one. I slide on it, I click on the pencil, I put my stop loss 1.296. 1.2 I put my take profit, sorry, 1 point. This is where I'm referring to, guys. Okay, this was for the first trade, this one the second one. Now we are doing with this one. Okay, 1296. Okay, 1296 12960. Okay, I click on the button modify. So if you click on each trade, you will see the take profit and the stop loss are there. The take profit and the stop loss are there. Okay, now if you can see the market is here. Okay, the market is here right now. This is the current price where the market is, but your order, the entry price of your order is here. By the time the market will reach this level, as a signal trader, you don't need to know what is this, is this one higher than this, or is this one below this entry. You don't need all this. The only thing you need is to know the difference between buy limit, buy stop, market execution. You see this one, it was a market execution, right? I think, or it was a sell. By the time it was executed, you will not see limit here. You will not see limit here. By the time the trades are executed, you will only see either buy or sell. Okay, with the lot size and the entry price, where the price is right now, the profits. This is a pending losses. Okay, they are green and negative. Okay, the total is this one. The total of profit, you will see if it is blue, they are pending wins. Okay, they are only wins when your trades are closed. in profit or by the take profit. Okay, now this is not a loss. It will only be a loss when the trades will be closed by the stop loss or closed manually in loss. But like this, they are called pending wins. Okay, I just want you to know it because I know it will not affect you that much, but you just keep it in mind. Okay, and so that's what we have for the buy limit, guys. Now see you again with the next signal. It can be a buy stop or a buy market execution. We are ready, guys. So after these two, it will be definitely the last of this course. Okay, so guys, see you again. Yeah, okay, guys, in this video, this is the second last type of signal that I'm showing you. Okay, it is the buy stop. Okay, we will use this signal, okay, to open to show you. This is the pair is this one, the GBP USD. The type of signal is a buy stop. Okay, this is the entry price, this is the stop loss. Okay, now what we do with the entry price and the stop loss, we go to the trading view and determine how many pips we have from the entry price to the stop loss. Okay, now let's go to the trading view. You remember the entry price and the stop loss. Okay, you go to the trading view. I can see the pair is the first on the list of my watch list. Okay, the GBP USD. I click on it, they take me to the chart. Okay, now what to do next is I click on the pencil. You know where the pencil is, right? Just click on there, you go down. This is a long position. Anything you see with buy, either buy stop, buy limit, or market execution, buy at the current price, it is the long position. Okay, let me show you again. It is this one I'm talking about. Okay, you click on that one. After clicking on it, they will take you again to the chart. You click anywhere inside the chart, and then you can see all this one will show up. You double click on it. Okay, the entry price of the signal is at 1.36990. okay, and then I go with the stop loss level. I put my stop loss 13678. Okay, you can see 210 ticks. Now this one means 21 pips. Okay, now I go straight to my new. I know the stop loss in pip is 21 pip. My balance is 50326.81. okay, the risk percent. Now let me show you something. If you go back to the MetaTrader, the application, okay, you can see I have already 3 running trades. This one was if you check, the entry is almost the same. Okay, the entry price is almost the same. Okay, it means it was one signal asking me to open 3 trades. Okay, it means all the 3 trades are 1%. okay, it is 1%, all the 3 trades, this one. Okay, now this one also I placed it, it was one signal. If you check, the entry price is the same. Okay, so this one also represent 1%, this one also 1%. okay, and these 3 also, if you check, the entry price is the same. It is one signal but with 3 different trades. This one also is 1%. Now in total I have a risk exposure of 3%. okay, so if I have trades like this, I go for this new market execution that we are doing, I risk 0.5%. okay, otherwise, let's suppose if I had no all this, if I close it, okay, let's suppose I close everything and I just have the remaining 3 running ones. Okay, the top 3 ones, so these 3 represent 1%, then I would have put at the risk here 1%. okay, but now since I have some other pending orders and also some running trade, I just risk 0.5%. okay, Now the stop loss is 21 pip. I go select currency pair. The first three letters are GBP and the last three are USD. Okay, I click on the button calculate. You can see the lot size is 1.20. okay, always again, for minimizing my risk, I just take the lot size 1.0, okay, so that my trade will be secured. No matter what, if it turns to be a loss, it will not be more than 1%. okay, so I will use the lot size exactly 1.0. Now I delete this screenshot. I know my lot size, I know the pair, I know the stop loss, and the take profit also I know. So I come back to the MetaTrader application. I click on codes. I check for my pair. It is there on the second one on the list. You click on it, and then you click on the button trade. Okay, now you click on market execution. Okay, if you click on it, you will see a buy limit. This type of signal is a buy. This type of signal is a buy stop. Okay, you click on buy stop, and then there you go. The lot size is 0.1, right, or 1.0. 1.0. I just put 1 and I leave it like that. I go to my entry price. The entry price is 3699. The stop loss is 3678. My take profit is based on the signal. Okay, yeah, I click on the bottom place. Boom, the trade is already placed. You can see it here. Okay, you can see it here. The price is right now at this level, and this is my entry price. Okay, so that's it, guys, for this type of signal. Now the last one will be the buy, the market execution, where they will ask you to buy now. Okay, so after that one, everything will be covered, guys. If you are watching the video until now, I still appreciate, and I still wish you a good luck. Okay, but let's see how the next signal will look like. See you again. Yeah, okay, guys, I want to show you the last type of signal, which is a buy now at the current price. Okay, we are talking about this signal. If you see buy now, it doesn't show the entry price. It is the recent price where the market is right now. They just show you the stop loss and the take profit. Okay, but sometimes you can receive a signal with buy now. They write the current price there, but it will be difficult for you to get that exact price. Okay, because the market is always moving. Now what we do is we go to the trading view. This is the pair. Okay, I click on it, and then I have to click on buy. Okay, let me go to H1 to see it clearly. Okay, I have to click on buy. Where is the buy? I click on the pencil. I go like this. I click on long position. I click anywhere inside the chart. Okay, but let me delete this one. Can you see where the price is right now? Okay, this is where the price is right now. Okay, so I just remember this. Okay, 1.36679. okay, now what I do next is this. I might not get the exact price, okay, but I will just write one number there. Let me go real quick. This one you have to be very quick. Okay, the entry price, you click anywhere inside, you double click on this, you click on, if you see like this, if it shows like this, you go straight to inputs. Okay, so if you go to inputs, the entry price, what is the entry price that I have chosen? 36678. okay, don't mind if you don't get the exact price. Okay, just calculate the stop loss 36472. okay, you can see the stop loss is 203. okay, it means 20 pips. Now what I do is, since I cannot get the exact entry, I just click use the stop loss of 25, okay, to be secured 25. Now I go to the new. Where is my balance? Okay, my balance is 50,410.81. Okay, I have some running trades, okay, and some other pending orders. So I use 0.5%. I click here 25 pips, okay. I select the pair GBP USD. I calculate, okay. You can see the lot size is exactly 1.0. Now since it is 1.0, I will not take a 0.8 or 0.9, okay. The lot size, the stop loss is already 20 pips from the entry price that I have chosen. Now I add up 5 pips, okay. So I use the exact number here, 1.0, okay. I go real quick. I come at quotes. I can see the pair at the second one. I click on it. I click on trade, okay. You leave it here, market execution, okay. This is the type of trade, market execution, okay. Later, after you key in your lot size, your stop loss, and take profit, you click on this button, buy, okay. Now the lot size is 1.0. My stop loss is 472. I take profit 3738. I click on buy. Okay guys, I can see my trade here, okay. If I click on the trade, you can see this is the entry price that I got, okay. This is the entry price that I got, and the one that I have chosen was 678. From 678 to 692 is less than 5 pips, so I'm secured when it comes to the risk, okay. If you slide on it, you can see on edit, you can see the stop loss is there, the take profit is there, okay. So guys, this is the last type of signal that I had to show you. Now I want to give you just few advice that will help you as a signal trader. See you again, guys. So guys, one thing also I would like to show you is this, okay. Later, let's suppose this trade, the last one, is running in profit, okay. This is the channel, I'm the admin, I can write about you, you cannot write. Let's suppose later I send a message like secure your trade, okay. Either secure your trade or set your stop loss at break even, okay. It can be either set your stop loss at break event or secure your trade. They are the same, okay. You will not see all this in one message. You will only see either secure your trade or set your SL at the break even, okay. Now if you see later this kind of message, no matter if it is a buy or sell, okay, if you see it, you just make sure you are editing the right trade, okay. Let's suppose this is the trade you have to edit. Now they will tell you, if they say break event, okay, the only thing you have to know is the entry price, okay. If it is the entry price, if your entry price is let me show you. If your entry price is this one, let's suppose you are editing now, but the trades are in pending losses, okay. You cannot edit this one. If you are in profit, you can edit. You can see this one, right? This is my entry price, okay, and this is a buy. So if they ask you to secure your trade, it means you edit this particular trade, you slide to the right, okay, and then once you slide to the right, you click on this button, okay, on this one, edit. But if in the channel they ask you to close, they say close in profit or close, either you are in loss or anything, okay. If they say close, you click on this one, okay. Let me show you first how to close. You click on this one, okay. Once you click on it, you can see this yellow button, right? This one, close with loss. Now the loss is this one. If it was in profit, you will see close with profit. They write this one. You just click on that button and the trade will be closed. Okay, now we are talking about editing to set the stop loss at the break event. Okay, so you go like this. Okay, you click on the edit. You can see, you remember the entry price is this one, right? 1.3669. okay, 692. You just edit, you set the stop loss, you edit the stop loss, you put the entry level at the stop loss. Okay, so you remember what the entry price is, right? So you type your stop loss here. Okay, I don't remember, 36692, like this. 36, I edit my stop loss 36692. okay, and then we will see this button, the modify button will be green. Now I cannot do this because the trade is in a pending loss. If it was in profit, and then this one could be possible. Okay, so this is the last thing I have to share with you. You can do it with your buy position, your sell position, and everything. Okay, so thank you guys. Let's go back to the slides.